Welcome to another aBlocks tutorial. Today we're exploring the price menu block, the perfect tool to showcase your products, services, or pricing plans in a sleek, professional way on your WordPress site. First, head to the section of your website where you want to show your price menu. Click the plus icon to add a new block. In the search bar, type Price Menu. You'll see the aBlocks Price Menu block. Go ahead and click it to insert it onto your page. Let's configure the price menu block. In the General tab on the right, we'll tweak the layout. Start with column gap. Next, direction. Choose row for side-by-side items or column to stack them. Then align your items. Adjust the gap around elements for better spacing. Now toggle on what you need. I'll enable Allow Description and Allow Divider for extra details and separation. With the divider on, set its position. Then place the price. Next, let's add an icon to your price menu items. Since we enabled Allow Icon earlier, click on the icon area in the block. You'll see options to upload your own icon or choose one from aBlocks library. Now adjust the icon width size. You can also change the icon view. Lastly, set the icon shape. Let's customize the content. Start with the title. Click to Edit I and set an HTML tag from the options. Next, add a description. In the Style section, tweak the description. Now move to the price area. Change it to match your needs. You can place the price either at the bottom or to the right. Back in the Style section, style the price. Once you're happy with everything, click the Save button to apply all your changes. And there it is, a beautiful price menu created with the aBlocks price menu block. Check out the preview. It's sleek, professional, and ready to impress your visitors. That's a wrap. You just built a stunning price menu with aBlocks that's ready to showcase your offerings. If you love this tutorial, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and let us know in the comments how you're using the price menu block.